So there are two main ways of installing apps on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. One is via the Google Play Store. So you go into the Google Play Store and then this is the home page. Just go to the search function and find whatever app it is that you're looking for and install it. So for instance, I can install the, let's say I want to install the Studio app. I'm just gonna go and select Studio. Just search for the app you want, find it, and then hit install, and that app is gonna get installed onto your phone. It's really that simple. There you go. So now in the app screen, you should see that app. Another way you can do this is via the Galaxy Store. So you can go to the Galaxy Store, which also has its own apps. Some of them are gonna be also available in the Google Play Store, but this is where you can come and install some Samsung specific applications. For instance, you can install an app like this one called the Gallery Assistant, and that's another way you can install apps on your Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now you could also sideload apps, so you can go and find APK files and XAPK files and have them installed on your Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now that's a whole other video. I'm gonna leave a whole tutorial for that in the description. Thanks for watching. Good luck.